Go ahead. All right, Ceci. Today I'm going to show you the FOPS way to solve word problems. First, we're going to find the problem. Next, we're going to organize the problem. Then we'll make a plan, and then we'll solve the problem. Okay? I'm going to do one. We'll do one together, and then you're going to do one, okay?
Okay.
Awesome. Let's get going. This first one says, Mr. Johnson has $9 bills. He wants to divide them equally and give an equal number to each of his 3 sons. How many dollar bills does each son get? So the problem here is I need to figure out how many dollar bills each son gets, okay? So I'm going to organize that because I know Mr. Johnson has $9 and I know he has 3 sons, and we're going to give them each their own money. So I need to divide 9 by 3. So my plan is to draw 3 people or 3 sons and then give them each the amount of money they need. Okay? So I have 3 people and I have $9. So each son gets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you see here that there's $9 split between 3 people.
And then that means he has
$3. They each get $3. Okay? So I found my problem, I organized it, I made a plan, and I solved it.
show it.
Now, we're going to do this next one together. Would you like to read, or do you want me to read?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll read. Mrs. Matthias has 10 cookies to hand out to her students. She has 5 children in her class. How many cookies does each student get?
Okay.
So what's the problem?
We have to do 10 cookies divided by 5 people.
Mm-hmm.
Now equals that.
Okay, so there you go. So what's your plan?
I'm going to have 5 people.
Okay, draw your 5 people. Okay. So
Okay, and then so we got 5 people.
Mhm.
Then we each have to give them 1 until we get to 10.
1 until we get to 10. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So how many cookies does each student get?
2.
Show me your answer. Nice work. All right. Do you think you can try this one on your own? Number 3. What are the steps you're going to use?
Find the problem, organize the problem, plan to solve the problem.
Awesome. I'll let you try it. Can you read the question to me?
Okay. Tammy has 16 strawberries. She wants to divide them evenly between herself and her 3 friends.
Wait, how many?
How many strawberries do each of them get?
Okay.
2.
All right. So what's your problem?
It's 16 divided by 4 because Tammy's adding herself.
Right. Good. Okay. So how are you going to organize that?
We're going to draw 4 people.
Okay.
1.
That's okay.
Okay.
Good. Now you've got your 4 people. So you need to divide
6 until I get to 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the answer I got
What's your answer? What's 16 divided by 4?
4.
Awesome. It's okay. Now show your answer. Wonderful. Ceci, did you find the problem?
Yeah,
Did you organize the problem?
yeah,
Did you make a plan?
yeah,
Did you solve the problem?
yeah.
Awesome.